So VGO sent me these garden gloves here to try out. Really, really nice. Thank you to them for sending these out to me. I got the size medium in blue and they fit perfect. I believe there are a couple other colors you can pick from as well. So you can see they look really, really cool. Very nice, and like the fit is really nice. You still have all your dexterity. You can grab things, no problem. Keep your hands safe when you're doing anything here out in your yard. Keep your hands safe and clean. So on these, the fingertips, you can also still use your phone. So if you want to use your phone, the fingertip, you can still scroll and stuff on your phone. So that is really nice. It's got the leather there, protection for the palm, for your fingertips on top. So you can grab, so if you're working around sticker bushes, things with thorns like these roses, you can grab that, no problem. Then thorns will protect your hands from the thorns. Pretty nice, or really, really, really nice actually. So I don't have to worry about getting hurt there. So yeah, super, super nice. Doing all kinds of things in your yard. So if you're looking for a really nice pair of gloves, definitely check these ones out.